quit capsizing, serenading them hoes. There's no Juliet and no Romeo and no dog. She report the pimpin', now back to trickin'.
Everything be like off the top these days. Like these days, I don't even know what a pad is these days, you know? Yeah. Fuck that hoe, cause she a nat. You ain't the one for me, baby. You ain't got shit I need, bitch. You want me to take my time with you, or maybe I'm not your speed, bitch. Maybe I'm not your lead, bitch. You ain't got no cheese, bitch. Maybe I'm just too G for you, maybe I'm just too screed, bitch. I can even roll in peace, why? Everybody notice me, yeah. I can even go to sleep, why? I'm rolling on the beam, yeah. They tried to give me 8, got on my knee like Jesus, please. He don't even believe in Jesus. Why you got a Jesus, please? If you wanna leave, just leave. But you ain't gotta lie to me. Even the blind can see. But you ain't gon' ride for me. You ain't even showing me the love you say you got for me. There ain't no loyalty, you lied to me. You say that you gon' ride for me. Baby, that's blasphemy. Yeah, baby, you're bad for me. Yeah, say you gon' clap for me. Yeah, say you gon' blasphemy. Yeah, why you ain't show me none of the love you say you have for me? Yeah, we're going through tragedy. Bitch, I needed you drastically. Yeah, I'ma just switch my flow up. Yeah, maybe I'm sick, no throw up. Yeah, maybe I'm sick, no check up. Yeah, boy, you need to run your checkup. Yeah, I'm eating on you niggas, no catch up. Yeah, I'm eating on you niggas, can't catch up. Ayy, hit her face down with an ass up. Ayy, even when I'm fucking, I'm messed up. You ain't the one for me, baby. You ain't got shit I need, bitch. You want me to take my time with you, or maybe I'm not your speed, bitch. Maybe I'm not your lead, bitch. You ain't got no cheese, bitch. Maybe I'm just too G for you, maybe I'm just too screed, bitch. I can even roll in peace, why? Everybody notice me, yeah. I can even go to sleep, why? I'm rolling on the beam, yeah. They tried to give me 8, got on my knee like Jesus, please. He don't even believe in Jesus. Why you got a Jesus, please? If you wanna leave, just leave. But you ain't gotta lie to me. Even the blind can see, but you ain't gon' ride for me. You ain't even showing me the love you say you got for me. There ain't no loyalty, you lied to me. You say that you gon' ride for me.
I was just given 7 more charges.
Shit, cause I'm too good for fishing, huh? I ain't gon' fuck the nigga bitch, cause I know she a eater, huh? Last time I wiped the bitch, she told the world I beat her, huh? And when they lock low Kodak up, my nigga, I couldn't believe it, huh? Hello shorty, for my road, box up a Nokia poke and yo, hit it from the back, let it be a blitz, said that I knocked her period on. Mama when I had that poker, huh? Still looking on my shoulder, huh? Fussing with a nigga, no Yoda, huh? That mean a young nigga got woo on me.
You ain't the one for me, baby. You ain't got shit I need, bitch. You want me to take my time with you, or maybe I'm not your speed, bitch. Maybe I'm not your lead, bitch. You ain't got no cheese, bitch. Maybe I'm just too G for you, maybe I'm just too screed, bitch. I can even roll in peace, why? Everybody notice me, yeah. I can even go to sleep, why? I'm rolling on the beam, yeah. They tried to give me 8, got on my knee like Jesus, please. He don't even believe in Jesus. Why you got a Jesus, please? If you wanna leave, just leave. But you ain't gotta lie to me. Even the blind can see, but you ain't gon' ride for me. You ain't even showing me the love you say you got for me. There ain't no loyalty, you lied to me. You say that you gon' ride for me.
I'm in London, got my beef from London.
What's the price? Prices going up. Woo. Prices. Big bad I slide. Prices going up. Hold on. Prices. Yeah. What's the price? What's the price? Prices going up. Prices. Hold on. Going up. Yeah. I slide. Going up. Hold on. Woo. Price. Bad Mona Lisa. Bad. Slide with my people. Pink slip for the ride. But what's in the trunk, it's illegal. Came from dimes. No cosign. You can read between the lines like a pro skater, did my own grind. Tell me what the preacher preach about. Tell me what the teacher teach about. I'ma go find me a better route. That bullshit and cap, you can leave it out. Ain't talking but ain't tryna hear me out. Won't open the door tryna leave me out. I'ma pull up and jet empty out. Come through jet, make sure you clear me out. Clear me out. What's the price? Prices going up. Woo. Prices. Big bad I slide. Prices going up. Hold on. Prices. Yeah. What's the price? What's the price? Prices going up. Prices. Hold on. Going up. Yeah. I slide. Going up. Hold on. She going up. I'm set. I do not care what the tag gon' say. I done brought out a big bag today. I just pulled up with the mag today. I don't plan on going outside today. Pay what you owe, 80 your show. Close the curtain and smoking the ghost. Hop in the I8 and lift up the door. Young rich nigga, more money than the old. Got your hoe at a condo, no clothes. Yeah, climb on a young nigga pole. Yeah, you don't wanna go there. Sticks in the Dracos in here. Got racks in the back of my pants. Got racks in the back of the pants. These bitches, they fuck for a bag. And you niggas gon' go outside. Bad Mona Lisa. Bad. Slide with my people. Pink slip for the ride. But what's in the trunk, it's illegal. Came from dimes. No cosign. You can read between the lines like a pro skater, did my own grind. What's the price? Prices going up. Prices. Hold on. Going up. Yeah. I slide. Going up. Hold on.
Bring it back.